This video is intended to demonstrate and facilitate the use of a Unified Brands product. It is not intended as a substitute for actual training and knowledge concerning the complete operation of the product. Accordingly, prior to actual use, any operator should be thoroughly familiar with the operator's manual and all instructions regarding the safe operation of the product.
Hey, this is Chef Michael, and we're at the Unified Brands Test Kitchen. Thanks for being with me today. I'd like to talk with you about the FX series of refrigerated products from Randell. I'm standing next to the UC1, which is the under-counter unit, and this has some great features that's shared by all FX units in the family. Let's take a look at some of them. The Randell FX refrigeration system is an absolute necessity when it comes to an operator's need to maintain precise storage temperature, assuring extended shelf life, quality, and food safety while helping to control cost. It is simply unmatched by anything on the market today. Precise temperature controls allow the operator to set a precise storage temperature at any point between -5 degrees Fahrenheit and +40 degrees Fahrenheit with easy-to-use face-mounted digital display controls. The removable heavy-duty ABS insulated insert has vertical grooves molded in the interior sides of the insert. The fans that are housed above the insert distributes air down through the grooves and around food products versus across the top of products. Press-fit gaskets seal the top of the container as the drawer is closed. This seals the container and prevents air leaks. This airflow and seal design greatly reduces surface dehydration and protects the quality of food. Drawers are made of stainless steel in a design that is easy to operate and clean. Drawer fronts come in two styles, exterior handle or an optional interior handle. The UC1, which is designed to replace the traditional 27-inch under-counter refrigerator freezer, has much more usable capacity. FX technology provides perfect storage for temperature-sensitive items such as cream, butter, juices, and the depth accommodates hard-to-store items such as multi-quart salad containers and reusable food containers. The large capacity units have a storage area large enough to accommodate 2 full-size hotel pans or 1 full-size sheet pan. They are also large enough to hold 144 8-ounce hamburgers at a consistent frozen temperature even in the hottest kitchens. Since each unit operates independently, they can be assembled in a variety of configurations. They can be stacked as many as 3 high for volume storage, or placed side by side and topped with a marine edge top and used as an equipment stand. A popular configuration is when they are stacked 2 high and topped with a stainless top and used as a workstation. Once configured, the units can be connected together in a power series, which provides one connection for a single 110-volt 20-amp circuit. Optional inserts in pan racks come in ABS, stainless, and powder-coated materials. These handy options help to separate and organize ingredients and bulk items for ease of reach during service. To learn more about FX and other great technologies, visit www.unifiedbrands.net.